Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import an email template into Mailchimp via zip file format. This is incredibly useful when you've designed a custom email template with HTML, CSS, and images, and you want to upload everything at once in a single package. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find several options for managing your campaigns and templates. Click on Campaigns. This will expand additional options beneath it. From this expanded menu, select Email Template. This section is where all your saved templates live, and it's also where you'll be importing your new zip file. Now shift your focus to the top right part of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Code Your Own with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal two important choices that Mailchimp offers for custom template uploads. The two options you'll see are Import HTML and Import Zip. For this tutorial, we're specifically focusing on the Import Zip option, as this allows you to upload a complete template package that includes your HTML file along with any images, style sheets, or other assets your template needs to function properly. Go ahead and choose the Import Zip file option. Once you click it, an upload window will appear on your screen. This window is designed to help you locate and select the file you want to import from your computer. In the Upload window, click the Add File button. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the zip file containing your email template. Find the zip file with your website files in it, select it, and then click Open. This action will attach your file to the Upload window and prepare it for import. With your file now selected, the next step is to finalize the upload. Click the Import button to officially import the zip file into Mailchimp. The platform will process your file, extract its contents, and convert it into a usable email template within your account. Once the import is complete, Mailchimp will display a preview of your imported template. This preview allows you to review how your template looks and ensure that all elements, images, and formatting have been imported correctly. Take a moment to check everything over. If you're satisfied with how it appears, click Save. This saves your template to your Mailchimp library, making it available for future email campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully imported a custom email template into Mailchimp using a zip file, giving you full control over your email design and branding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.